this feeling is hard for me. 'Cause I could be that everything you need, and I know this could be that free fall back to me. Keep on, you ain't easy with everyone that sees me, telling me get back on around. Never could be easy. Instead of you just pleasing me, you're keeping me down. Let's think about the things you said, how you make me feel this way. Staying on the floor 1,000 times, losing all your keep what I find. It's about you, it's about you, and it's about you. Can I hear you one more time? 'Cause I could be that free fall. Come on, jump to me. And I could be that everything you need. Yeah. And I know this could be that free fall back to me. Come on, jump to me. Yeah, yeah. Come on, jump to me.
Each song in this album is a favorite of mine for a different reason. It's hard for, this is the first of our albums that I don't have one regret. There's not a note that I wish I would have or got there a little. There's not a song that I wish didn't make it or a song that I wish did.
Calling All Angels was written in Sausalito, the music at least, in my home studio. And Charlie and I have my house, and he has a sailboat that he was living on at the time. And he just would ride his motorcycle up every day, and we'd write.
I always prefer our mellow stuff. On the first album, my favorite song was Blind. The second album, my favorite stuff is on the second half of that album. Let It Roll and Mississippi and Getaway. And I'm kind of the same way on this album. I like the mellow songs. When I Look to the Sky, I'm About to Come Alive is a beautiful song.
I really love performing My Private Nation. That song to me is just my personal anthem. Like, I don't need approval here. This is what I came to do with my life. This is my private nation. This is my time.